Right, hi, my name is Stacy. I'm the nurse that's going to be giving you your sports physical today. I'm just going to wash my hands quick before we get started. Then I'm going to put on my gloves. Just going to check make sure you're the right Mariah. So can you tell me your birth date and your full name?
Mariah Pritz, 7/31/99.
Okay, indeed that is true. So have you been to get a sports physical before?
Yes.
Okay.
Cross.
So I'm just going to give you a head-to-toe assessment. And as I start that, I'm going to get your vital signs first, and then we'll go through the rest. If you have any questions at any time, just make sure you stop me at any time and let me know. All right. So let's just check your oximetry. See how much your O2 sat is in your bloodstream. Looks like 97%. Just check your cap refill. Looks like good. Skin is good on your hands. Good blood flow. Get your temp. 98.5. Good. Get this blood pressure. This may squeeze a little bit. So it's 140/90. Are you a little nervous about having a physical today?
Yeah, so do I be at the doctor.
And do you have any other blood pressure issues?
Yeah, I have high blood pressure.
You have high blood pressure? Okay. So you go to school locally? I'm just going to get your pulse.
No, I go to school in Frostburg, Maryland.
Just going to count for 15 seconds. And that's 12 times. So it looks like 66 is your pulse rate. And your respirations, I was counting while you're sitting there, are 16. So a couple questions. Can you tell me what the date is?
April 29, 2018.
And what city are we in?
Richmond, Virginia.
All right. And where are you at right now?
The doctor's office.
Why are you here?
Sports physical.
That was good. All right. So I'm going to check your eyes out now. I'm going to shine a little bit of light in those. And I'm just checking to see how your pupils react to the light. If they're both equal, they should be doing the same thing. So, all right. Keep your eyes focused here, if you would. Coming in. All right. And the other side. Both eyes are equal, round, reactive to light. Pupil size is about a 3. So focus in again on my finger. I'm going to follow it with your eyes. Ready? Back to the center. All right, good tracking. No signs of nystagmus, no stutter. All right. Also, while you're looking at me, I can get you to turn your head to the left, all the way over toward your shoulder, and look down a little. Back to the center to look at me. On to the right, same. Wonderful. Any trouble with your ears, ringing?
No.
All right, good. Can you lift your eyebrows for me? Just check it. All right. Smile big so I can see those teeth. Stick out your tongue. Move your tongue side to side. Good. And say, aw. Good. And shrug your shoulders for me. Wonderful. Just check in those cranial nerves to make sure you can move everything in your face, facial movement, your ability to speak. If you could, please read this out loud for me.
I, Mariah Pritz, give my permission to be videotaped and for the viewing of said video.
Wonderful. Just going to lean forward. I'm going to whisper something in your ear. I'm going to whisper it in both ears, okay? What did I whisper in your ear?
Mariah's great. Thank you for helping me.
Wonderful. Sounds good. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and listen to your heart real quick. And for this, I'm going to listen in 4 different places. So I'm going to listen to all the chambers of your heart, make sure everything's good, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Good steady heartbeat. S1, S2. Lift up here just a little. Good. Don't hear any murmurs. Just checking your arms here. No skin rashes. No problems here. Good skin turgor. Looks like you're nice and hydrated. If I can, I want to listen to your lungs next. So I'm going to listen to 2 places in the front up here. And then I'm going to listen down here on the sides. And then I'm going to listen in the back. Just even in and out, okay? In and out. In and out. Make your arm for me a little bit. In and out. In and out. 6 places on the back, same thing. In and out. 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 Having a painness?
No.
Weakness?
Nope.
All right. Give me a squeeze. Wonderful. Pull me towards you. Push me away. You're tired of me. Wonderful. Push up in the air. Push down. Good. Just lift your arm up individually on the left. Do the same thing with the right. Fantastic. I'm going to do the same thing with your feet. Kick up your left leg for me. Good job. Kick up your right leg. Wonderful. Put my hands under. Push it down like the gas pedal. All right. Up to the sky. Try to lift up with my hands. Good. No. Can feel my hands on both sides of your legs?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right. I'm going to ask you now. It will lay down. And I'm just going to listen to your abdominal area. All right. I'm going to listen to 4 areas on your stomach. Then I'm going to palpate, okay? No questions?
Nope.
Okay. Good. Here. 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 It's good. You must have had a good breakfast this morning. Stomach sounds good. Any trouble with bowel movements?
No.
Little palpation. All right. A little bit deeper. No pain?
Nope.
Pain?
Nope.
Pain, discomfort? Pain? Good. Everything's good there. No distension, no tightness, no issues with the stomach. Good active bowel sounds. When's the last time you had a bowel movement?
Yesterday.
Good. All right, so I'm going to check your femoral pulses. All right, good. +2 on those. No edema or swelling on your arms, just going down to your knees. Going to check those pulses. No pain, no swelling, good. Coming on down, tibial. Good. Legs look good, no swelling. Are your feet ticklish?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to do my best. Coming down to check your pedal pulses. All right, good, strong pulses. Do me a favor, lift your toes again to the ceiling. Good. And push them down. Good. Pick them up again with my hands on them. Perfect. No issues. Everything's good. No swelling. No problems with your things. All right, you want to go ahead and sit up for me? So everything was good on your assessment. All your vital signs were within normal limits. Pulse is beautiful. No issues with your skin. The only thing I was a little concerned with was your blood pressure was 140/90. You did say you're a little anxious about being at the doctor, so I totally understand that. And quickly, just going to look, yeah, your neck looks great. There's no issue with any jugular distension. You don't mind if I just listen to your carotids quickly? All right, one side at a time. That's a good pulse there. Oh, just going to listen, okay? It's good blood flow. Fantastic. What I'd like to talk about a little bit is what we could do for this blood pressure. So I think maybe kind of cutting down on the salt to ingest, processed fast foods. I know college is tough. You said you went to college. Are also exercising now because it's sports season. So at least 3 days a week of activity, 30 minutes or so. You want to get that heart rate up. Really the big thing is you're on medication, the doctor's prescribed correctly. So definitely want to continue to take that medication. That's an everyday thing, and complying with that medication so we can be able to keep that blood pressure down. So can you tell me anything that you think you could do a little bit differently to help with the blood pressure?
Not drink as much soda, drink more water, spend more time outside.
Good. And don't forget to do what?
Take limits.
Awesome. That's fantastic. Do you have any other questions for me before the doctor comes in?
No.
Okay, I really appreciate you coming in today. The doctor will be in soon to see you. I think you're going to be have a clean bill of health going forward. So thank you so much, and be right back with you. Wash my hands.